Alright guys, your man Ray Bombs here. We're going to be removing and installing some rim tape. As you can see, we have the orange I began to take off right here. Going to be replacing it with some of this white. Got off Amazon. Ridiculously bright. Should grab a lot of attention. So first you begin by removing all the excess tape. Comes off pretty easily, just peels off from your fingers. Just want to make sure you got some fresh, clean edges before installing that fresh tape. So getting the tape off wasn't too bad. There's a few spots where it took a little bit of paint off the rim, but nothing major. New tape's going right over it anyways. Scrapes on the outside. With that, I don't know how long this old tape has been on here. It's a 2004, so it could have been a while. Alright, so we just completed our tape job. Compared to the orange, definitely looks a lot better.